Hello there. Again, another grey day outside, although so far it's held off from raining. We are expecting some later. My name is Gaye and I live in New Plymouth in New Zealand. And today I am going to do another chain pull, which I'm getting a bit addicted to now. This time I am going to use a little shot cup with the bottom cut off it and do an open cut pour and then pull the chains to see what I can get. My colours are going to be dark blue, actually it's more like navy blue, coral, light green, purple and gold, and I'm also going to use a little bit of white. So I'll start pouring those colours through my little cup. I'll start by putting some blue down first, pop the cup on and then do the rest of the colours. Okay, colours are looking pretty good so far. There is no silicone in the paint, but there is, of course, the bubbles coming through, which do tend to make the colours pop up. So now I'm just going to tilt the paint slightly until I get it to the edges, although it's already starting to go over one edge, and then I will start using the chains to pull the paint around. Okay, so I am going to put some blue down beside on my workspace here for the chain, so that I can run the chain through it to do my edge outlines that I love to do so much. Yeah, so I will pop my chain into it. I'm going to do an edge outline around here and an edge outline around here in the blue. that will do. It's darker than I intended it to be, but I'm still really pleased with it. I'm not sure that doing a open cut pour the way I did helps do a chain pull, other than the colours are very pretty. It does bring out those undercolours. I would have liked it a little brighter, so possibly using a lighter blue rather than the navy. Such as ultramarine blue would have really made it pop, so I'll probably try that again at some stage. But at the moment it's looking pretty good, and again, I loved pulling the chains, even though it is really painstaking. It's a very, very slow thing to do. When you see me do it on this video, I would have increased the speed at least by 2, and in some cases by 4, because otherwise it just takes too long on the video itself. But the most important thing I've found when pulling the chains is to make sure that I don't allow the paint to go over the edges of the balls. I've got to keep that paint within that area, and that sometimes means going slower than a snail. Okay, I've cleaned up my work table and I've gone around the picture and just done a little bit around the edges and stuff to finish it off. So now I'm going to bring it up closer to the light to show you how beautiful it actually looks. I'm loving the colours in it. The extra purple that I added has given it a gorgeous swirl in one corner. The dark blue offsets the other colours, and the swirly pattern is just beautiful with the untouched piece right there to that side. And I like the way that the coral has looked. It actually looks more orangey, light orange. And the featheriness that the chains bring to the picture is just really, really pretty, and of course makes me even more addicted to doing the chain pours. So that is my picture for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.